Montessori language class. Teach your child to read and write with our free online tutorials.
Hello children, welcome to our language class. Today we are going to learn blends again. Let's blend P and L together. P, L. P, L, P, P as in plum. P, P, plum. P as in plant. P, P, plant. P as in plate. P, P, plate. P as in plug. P, P, plug. Now let's blend S and L together. S, L, sl, sl as in slide. Sl, sl, slide. Sl as in slab. Sl, sl, slab. Sl as in slime. Sl, sl, slime. Sl as in slade. Sl, sl, slide. If you have this worksheet with you, you're going to cut this worksheet around the dotted line and keep all the pictures, all the cutouts next to you. Now here we are going to sort all these pictures by their first blend. Let's start. Plum, 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 plum. Now on your worksheet, you are going to find a picture of plum and put that under plum. Right here. Plum. Now let's sort other pictures. Slide, 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 sl. Plate, 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 pl. Slab, slab, sl. Plug, 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 pl. Slime, 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 sl. Plant, 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 pl. Slade, 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 sl. Are you done sorting all your pictures? Let's move on to next activity. Now we are going to work on this worksheet. So first we are going to look at the picture and find its first blend. Let's start. What is this first picture is? Plum. So when you say plum, what first blend sound you make? Pl, plum, plum. First one, yeah, you're right. Pl. Now on your worksheet, find picture of plum and circle its first blend. Let me show you. This is plum. No, pl. Yes, let's circle that. Now let's find rest of the first blend. This next picture is slab, slab, sl, sl, yeah. Can you find picture of slab on your worksheet and circle it? This is here is plate, 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 pl, 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 pl. This is slide, 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 sl, cl, pl, sl. Now this one here is plug, 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 pl, pl. Now this picture is slime, 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 sl. Are you done working with this worksheet? Great, let's move on to next one. Now here on this worksheet we are going to look at the picture and find its first blend. Slab, slab, sl. On your worksheet next to picture of slab you are going to write sl, sl, slab, slab. Now next picture is plate, 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 pl. This is plum, 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 plum. Slide, 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 sl. Plug, plug, pl, plant, plant, pl. Slime, slime, sl. Slade, slate, sl. Are you done writing all your first blend? Great. Here we are done with today's lesson. See you next time. Bye bye.